29,181 crores. Intun central assistance 1,300 crores आसा आणि 1,600 special assistance at zero interest. मुखेलमंत्रीन थोडेशे जे म्हाका दिसता आज जेन्ना बजेटाचेर उलयतना हे आमच्या टर्मान जरी चवथें बजेट आनी दिस इज आय थिंक ही 7th बजेट आनीक एक अनाउन्समेंट दिलेले आसा जे एक्सपेक्टेड आसा. इट इज अ पॉलिटिकल जे इलेक्शन येवपाचें आहा आनीक सरकार तुमच्या दारी हे ऑल अक्रॉस ऑल पंचायत कोतले म्हणून सांगला. सद्या सरकार तुमच्या दारी करून म्हाका दिसता लोकांक केला भिकारी. हांवें सुरवातेक सकाळच्या वेळार सांगलेलें आज प्रत्येक दिसाक तो फोंडाच्या गांवांत दिसता. तरी आसतना जे फटाश ते मारले खास करून 2,500 जॉब स्टाफ सिलेक्शन कमिशना उदेशी जेन्ना आज तो बोडविकाय उलयता अबाउट गोवाज पर कॅपिटा प्रोजेक्टेड एट 8.18 lakhs आणि GSTP एट 1.31 lakhs. कुशावती पासत विजन डॉक्युमेंट काडपाचे प्रयत्न सरकार कोतले म्हणून सांगला. आता कुशावती जेन्ना डिस्ट्रिक्ट क्रिएट करपाचे जेन्ना आमी सुरवातेक सांगलेलें की तेजो रिपोर्ट हूंय आहा काय म्हणून रिपोर्ट फिजिबिलिटी चोयनासतनाच तेमी ही डिस्ट्रिक्ट अनाउन्स केली. एंड वेन दे अनाउन्स दिस पर्टिक्युलर डिस्ट्रिक्ट टुडे दे आर डुईंग अ विजन डॉक्युमेंट. इफ वी लुक फ्यू पॉइंट्स टुडे गोवाज इकॉनॉमी दे से इज ग्रोइंग. But if you look, the agriculture sector is contributing only 5%. This is a major worry for any state. Today, tourism is moving forward. म्हणजे tourism today practically is controlling 43-45% of the economy. But what is shocking is 95% of the tourists are domestic. Despite growing, the fiscal deficit is pegged at 2,826 crore rupees. Investment Promotion Board हे जे बोर्ड म्हणटा ते फ्रॉड आणि ह्या फ्रॉडान म्हाका दिसता 31 प्रोजेक्ट्स वर्थ 1,117 crores आणि हेनी सांगलेले आसा 4,950 कोटी जॉब 4,000 ऑलमोस्ट 4,950 जॉब्स. हे जॉब ज्या पद्धतीन हो सरकार प्रॉमिस करता ज्या पद्धतीन एम्प्लॉयमेंट अनएम्प्लॉयमेंटाचो इशू आज प्रत्येक गोंयकाराक खबर आसा युवकांक खबर आसा. हे सगळे लाखांनी स्क्वेअर मिटराचे लँड दिवप प्रॅक्टिकली एजी फिजिबिलिटी ऑफ इन्व्हेस्टमेंट प्रमोशन बोर्ड प्रॅक्टिकॅलिटी ऑन द ग्राउंड इज अ बिग झिरो. म्हणजे लाखांनी स्क्वेअर मिटराची लँड भायले दिल्लीचे आणि वर्मा आणि शर्माक दिवप. मुखेलमंत्रीन एक आश्वासन दिला की दोन्ही दाबोलीम आणि मोपा एअरपोर्ट आसतले म्हणून. फिजिबिलिटी सांगलो ना खंयच्या पद्धतीन आसतले बिकॉज दस गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफ गोवा हॅव द राईट टू प्रोटेक्ट दाबोलीज इंटरेस्ट. दे हॅव एब्सोल्युटली नो राईट. DGCA very directly has said that airline policy is a private airline subject. आता अटल आसरा 3 लाख केले ते 5 लाख that is a welcome step. I take that as a welcome step. But जेन्ना आमी ह्या बजेटाचे उलयतना today this budget must not just be judged by the headline. If we look at the arithmetic today, 50% of the state's budget that is allocated goes towards salaries, goes towards pensions, goes towards interest payments. 20% of this goes routinely towards maintenance आणि unavoidable commitments. या बजेटाचे प्रॅक्टिकली 70% the state government can't use. म्हणजे हेजेर फक्त रफली 30% is left for innovation आणि future planning. So whatever schemes, whatever announcements the government makes, new promises, their first question is from where will the government get this money? Where does it come from? So if this budget is meant to please everyone, since it is an election year, schemes, announcements, as you see, everything सगळे वाढवलेले आसा. So this is basically populism. When I say populism without capacity, it does not strengthen the state. It pushes it into more deeper debt. While म्हाका दिसता this is not welfare. Chief Minister जो पण दाखवून दिता, this is fiscal irresponsibility. This is basically what we would like to say. हेज भायर जोरी तर मुखेलमंत्री म्हणटा घटमूट बजेट म्हणून घटमूट मोडीच आसा. म्हाका दिसता हें जूटमूट बजेट, हें सारकें जूटमूट. आनी मुखेलमंत्री सारको दिस बजेट सिम्स टू बी ऑफ अनाउन्समेंट्स आनीक दिस इज लायक डिस्ट्रिब्युशन ऑफ पीनट्स एंड चिकन फीड. कोर ड्युटीज जे मुखेलमंत्रीन इग्नोर केलेले आसा. खास करून हांव सांगपाक सोदता मुखेलमंत्री आख्खे गोंयकाराक दूध आणि हनी हे प्रॉमिस करता, पण दूधसागर ड्राय आहा. दूध आणि हनी लोकांक प्रॉमिस करता, दूधसागर ड्राय आसा. न्यू स्कीम्स जे प्रॉमिस केलेले आहा, दे नीड फंड्स. From where the chief minister is very liberal when it comes to promises, allocations today these are only on paper. Where will you get the funds? Basically, one major observation that I see is that the chief minister is not focused on the employment sector. The chief minister is silent on employment generation. Today the major problem in the state of Goa is employment. Two major issues, casinos and land alienation. आम्ही सकाळच्या वेळा सांगलेले casino when it comes to 39A and जे land alienation when it comes to 39A आणि casino हेजेर मुखेलमंत्री झाला 200% फीज वाडोवन मुगीत उलयलो तो. 200 न्हू ते 2000 फीज पासून वाडयले ते थिंगा आसपाचे. हेंका ह्या आमच्या पवित्र गोंयच्या भूमींतल्यान भायर काड हो आमचो डिमांड आशिल्लो. आतां आज मुखेलमंत्री उलयला अबाउट निवास एट अयोध्या, वेलंकणी, पंढरपूर. हे सगळे निवास आर वेलकम स्टेप्स, बट the bread and butter and the guarantee and the future of the youth हेजेर मुखेलमंत्री उलयलो ना. रिडेव्हलपमेंटाचेर उलयलो आसा ऑफ ओल्ड डिलॅपिडेटेड बिल्डिंग. ह्या हेजेर आमकां मातशें तरी डावट आहा. हे डिलॅपिडेटेड बिल्डिंग काण सारके दिशी काण तूं दिल्लीच्या शर्मा वर्मा बी हाडून दिशी दिलेले आहाय जाल्यार म्हाका कांय खबर ना. तर मुखेलमंत्रीन हे ट्रान्सफर ऑफ पब्लीक प्रॉपर्टी in private hands in the name of PPP. PPP म्हणजे पाड पडिल्ले प्रोजेक्ट. हे पाड हे अर्थ ह्या सरकाराचो. हे पाड पडिल्ले प्रोजेक्ट बाबा आमकां गोंयांत नाका. इफ यू लुक as I said 70% of the budget is locked for recurring spending. 50% of the state budget is already locked towards salaries, pensions, interest payment, whereas 20% goes for maintenance expenses. आज just change in name, same schemes, no change on the ground. It is the same old wine in a new bottle, same scheme in a new wrapper. आज जे DDSY आणि drinking water, they seem to want, there is a need, there are some things that I should also give credit. DDSY schemes increasing the amount to the people, that is a welcome step. आज जोरी तर action taken report मो आमकां दिलो आहा आणि इकॉनॉमिक सर्वे. आता एक्शन टेकन रिपोर्ट हांव चोयतालो. मुखेलमंत्री म्हणटा जे बाब कालूस बाबान सुरवातेक एक पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर घातलो. आउट ऑफ 100% 99.53% budget assurances have been completed. This is just misleading. This is wrong. The action taken report is completely deceptive. This is the feedback of the government. You need to see the fine print. आता जेन्ना कोणी जर एक्झिबिशनाक गेलो 50% सेल सगळे घुसता भितर. 50% भायल्या बूक आमकां दिला भितर गेल्या 50% once you go inside you see सगळे पण प्रपोजल आहे. प्रपोजल सबमिटेड, एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव्ह अप्रुव्हल अवेटेड, टेंडरिंग प्रोसेस yet to start, work in progress, will start as soon as possible. So हे एक्शन टेकन रिपोर्टाचेर तो आमकां सांगता 99.53% सगळे हे अश्युरन्स कंप्लीट केला आहा. सो मेनी प्लेसेस इज नॉट इवन स्टार्टेड. सो ग्लेरिंग एग्जाम्पल्स, GMC एक्सपान्शन प्रोजेक्ट जे मेजर हेल्थ सेक्टरान जावपाक जाय, दिस इज पेंडिंग. TB and chest hospital block tendering yet to be done. Modern blood bank, this approval still is pending. Critical care hospital, only proposal is submitted. Satellite OPD जे GMC काणकोण कुर्चरे पेडणे सांगलेले सगळे हे पेंडिंग आहा. डे केअर सेंटर्स both district, their only space is identified. So if you look at this scheme, je Mukhyamantri action taken report sangla 99.53% is a big fat lie. These were assured in the last budget. They are notified, not implemented. No beneficiaries disbursements are shown. This is only the notification that is issued. At the end, Magadista, we must ask this government, and through your medium, I ask this government: is this budget sustainable? Is it honest of Goa's financial stress? Does it really solve the real problems or postpone them? Magadista, the opposition will support what genuine help Goa needs. We will firmly oppose ये जे फिस्कल इल्युजन जाला. There is mass violation जे मुख्यमंत्र्यान सांगलेले आसा with regards to supplementary demands and as CAG violations that are there in thousands of crores of rupees. This what the Honorable Chief Minister today has proposed is a populist shortcut and diversionary politics. म्हाका दिसता next year सरकार चेंज जातलो आणि नेक्स्ट इयर विल बी न्यू बिगिनिंग, एक नवी सुरवात गोंयचे पासत. गोंयचो लोक दाखोवन दितलो कित्याक आमकां खात्री आहा की आमकां गोंय जाय जे गोंयांत आमकां एक एनवायरमेंट आमचो प्रोटेक्टेड आणि ऑनेस्ट पॉलिटिक्स हे जाय. सो म्हाका खूब विश्वास आहा की गोंयचो लोक ह्या सरकाराक भूत शिकयतलो.
Yuri, you mentioned about that job of 4,000 in budget, as CM has mentioned. So will you feel that
CM has said, for example, investment proportion board is 2,500 jobs and another 2,500, 5,000. It is election year. Same CM said 10,000 jobs before last Zilla Parishad election. In the election year, he said in 2022 50,000 jobs. So where is the job? Are they? What are you doing? Where? Sorry, you work Baira Hamare. Tapon aha. All the youth today are unemployed. So where is these jobs going? Investment promotion boardan kitle goinkarak magadista employment made. This is the question that the Chief Minister needs to answer. And he has not spoken on the disaster, that is environmental disaster, on land alienation, on land conversion, on casinos, on protecting our environment. Absolutely nothing has been
अंडर जे कन्वर्शन जाता तेच प्रमाणे इन्व्हेस्टमेंट प्रमोशन बोर्डा अंडर जे प्रोजेक्ट ह्यूज प्रोजेक्ट येता की जॉब ओरिएंटेड कितले आसा म्हणलं सी आपण
ना इन्व्हेस्टमेंट प्रमोशन बोर्डान तेणे फिगर दिला 31 प्रोजेक्ट्स at 1,117 crores to create 4,950 jobs. ये पण ये फोटाश पण आहे हे वर्सावरच दिते आमकां
तेका ट्रान्सपरन्सी आसा
कांयच ना ट्रान्सपरन्सी. एब्सोल्युटली हे आमी जेन्ना डिमांड येतले इंडस्ट्रीचे हे सगळे हे रॅकेट दिस इज अ रॅकेट वेर लँड इज बींग गिवन टू आउटसायडर्स. 10 रुपया 12.5 रुपया या पर स्क्वेअर मीटर जागे अंडर युनिव्हर्सिटी अंडर ऑल. एज आय सेड प्रत्येक खात्याचे फोकस आहा ऑन लँड. गोंयची जमीन विकपाक हे मुखार सरलेले आसा आणि विरुद्ध आम्ही जो म्हाका दिसता एक युनाइटेडली एक मुखार सरपाक जाय. वी विल एक्सपोज दिस.
Do you have any data regarding how many jobs this government had given till right now?
No, see the data that we have, we will expose the data in particularly in this sector. Is it investment promotion board? Which sector and how many go on? We have the data. We will expose this government during demands.
Okay, thank you.
And the casino fees has been increased right now.
like 2024 2 ते 20,000% मध्ये increase केला तिंगा रावपाचे ते खबर आहा तेंका घेवपाक 200. but what does that increase? Stop it. No, if you are serious, stop it. Why increasing means what? Increasing the fees means they are going to go out.
बजेटाचे उलयता युटिलायझेशनाचेर कशें कितें फाटले बजेट आसा ते
Now
म्हणटा.
see, he said last time 54% was till January. I have not seen the figures, but I believe it doesn't go over 70%. It doesn't technically go every year, doesn't cross 71%. So this is only an inflated budget. There are so many violations. Violations when I say the way some budget heads, the way funds have been diverted without taking proper approval. CAG has flagged at the start of the supplementary demand. I spoke about several issues. You see, there are 12,000 odd utilization certificates worth 3,400 crores across 31 departments. That is a big fraud. 12,800 utilization certificates not being submitted is not a small thing. It's not few hundreds, and it is 3,500 crores worth. And Chief Minister has said that he would look into his department. This is happening for the last now 3-4 years.
On utilization, what Yuribab was saying and what he did not complete was, CAG itself has flagged that the supplementary budget was not needed because the amount in the budget itself was not utilized, original amount. So there was no need of going for a supplementary budget.
सरप्लस आहे म्हणताले न्हू तेन्ना ते म्हणतात.
अरे ते सरप्लस दाखवताय बेसिकली जे उमके डिपार्टमेंट आहा दे आर नॉट युटिलायझिंग दॅट आनी मागीर सरप्लस म्हणून दाखवताय. ओरिजिनल बजेट से फॉर PWD is 1,800 crores. They utilize only 60% and then they show that they are surplus. Utilization is na, so it's all inflated figures.
Yuribab, in short, how you will summarize this budget?
हांवें सांगेल ते भाशेन दिस बजेट जे मुखेलमंत्री म्हणटा घटमूट बजेट, दिस इज झूटमूट बजेट.
Thank you.
One is the issue of classes in April. The other issue is about the foreign languages that they are taking away from the 8th and 9th semester. What is your take?
No, see, I think the foreign languages last time, through the foreign languages, we had asked whether Kongni in Romi also could be introduced. Last time, I believe Dothor also spoke, and today also he spoke on the languages about French and
No, I didn't
Portuguese.
speak on it. We will speak on when the education demand comes. Because it has been brought to our notice that from the next academic year, the foreign languages will not be there.
Yeah.
Which is a big concern, yes.
Yes, and also if you look, what we pointed out is that the NEP, the Director of Education has given an affidavit in the High Court saying that 1,045 what are those? Not
Notional hours.
Notional hours are already completed. So as per National Credit Framework, 955 hours are required. So you're getting 1,045 hours with the old system, that is June. So why do you put the children in the heat for 3 hours for 20 days? What is the reason when you're already getting 1,200 hours with the current June system? That is the affidavit they are saying. So they themselves are clueless. They don't understand whatever is doing, and this is a very serious policy lapse.
Thank you.